Most people's idea of a weighing scale boils to the traditional dial which terrorizes all of us. But, let's forget about that dial for a minute. You already know that scale is a simple platform, but for us it is a weighing instrument. Let's open the lid. Weighing requires the load cell. The load cell transforms the applied force into electrical information. The load cell is made up of two parts, here, a metal bar which deforms under the application, and there an electrical circuit in which we find the strain gauges. In practice, when you weigh some fruits, the body of the load cell deforms under the force applied. The strain gauges measure the deformation and supply electrical signals proportional to the stress they undergo. This signal is now going to be transformed into digital transformation with the help of an indicator. The indicator is made up of three parts: the human-machine interface or HMI, the regulatory weight management software which confirms the conformity of the measurement, and meanwhile, the application software directly processes the information. You just saw what a static weight? That is some fruits that are patiently waiting on its platform, but there are other ways of weight acquisition as well. For instance, dynamic acquisition which does not interrupt the production flow, or continuous acquisition where the device calculates the flow or from which an algorithm will track the weight value, or even discontinued acquisition based on a succession of filling, weighing and discharge cycle. As you can see, designing a weighing instrument requires mastery of mechanics, electronics and computer science. All these instruments generate data that interacts with the customer's ecosystem.
We always recommend discussing your needs with a weighing instruments expert before making a purchase. To buy the best available weighing instruments, check out the details mentioned.